Hi guys, what's up everybody? Praise Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe and join the family. In today's recipe, we are going to cook egg fried cabbage recipe. Let's do this. I'll start by cutting the bell pepper. Then half carrots. Lastly but not the least, let's cut our cabbage. Let's go through my ingredients. We have cabbage, we have bell pepper, we have carrot, we have red onion, we have spring onion, we have ginger and garlic, we have 2 eggs. In a deep fry pan, I'll add some cooking oil. Add 2 eggs. Once your scrambled eggs are ready, remove and keep aside. Using the same pan, add your red onions, followed by the green onions. Add cooking oil. Add salt to taste. Add garlic paste, followed by ginger paste. Add the cabbage. Add carrots, followed by bell peppers. Add Give a good stir. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Lastly, add the scrambled eggs. Stir to combine all the ingredients together. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Ensure to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you on to my next video.